Daily Practice English. Essay topic, Computer. 1. Introduction. Good morning everyone. Today we will talk about a very important topic, and that is computer. A computer is one of the most important inventions of modern science. In today's world, it is almost impossible to imagine our life without computers. Computers help us to do many tasks quickly, accurately, and efficiently. The word computer comes from the word compute, which means to calculate. At first, computers were mainly used for mathematical calculations, but today computers are used in almost every field of life. 2. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine that can store, process, and display information. It works according to instructions given by a user. These instructions are called programs. A computer mainly performs 4 basic functions: 1. Input, 2. Processing, 3. Storage, 4. Output. For example, when we type something using the keyboard, it is called input. The computer then processes the data. After that, it stores the information in memory. Finally, it shows the result on the screen, which is called output. 3. Parts of a computer. A computer has several important parts. The main parts of a computer are: 1. Monitor. The monitor is the screen of the computer. It shows text, images, and videos. 2. Keyboard. The keyboard is used to type letters, numbers, and commands. 3. Mouse. The mouse is a pointing device. It helps us to move the cursor and select items on the screen. 4. Types of computers. There are different types of computers used for different purposes. Personal computer, PC. This is the most common type used at home and offices. Laptop. A portable computer that we can carry easily. Tablet. A small touch-screen computer. Supercomputer. These are extremely powerful computers used for scientific research, weather forecasting, and space studies. 5. Uses of computer. Computers are used in many fields. Education. Students use computers for online learning, research, and assignments. Business. Companies use computers for accounting, communication, and data management. Healthcare. Doctors use computers to store patient records and perform medical research. Entertainment. People watch movies, play games, and listen to music using computers. Communication. Through email, social media, and video calls we can communicate with people around the world. 6. Advantages of computers. Computers have many advantages. Speed. Computers can perform millions of calculations in seconds. Accuracy. They provide very accurate results. Storage. A computer can store a large amount of data. Automation. Computers can perform repetitive tasks automatically. 7. Disadvantages of computers. However, computers also have some disadvantages. Health problems. Too much computer use can cause eye strain and back pain. Cybercrime. Hackers may steal personal information. Addiction. Many people become addicted to games and social media. Therefore, we should use computers wisely. 8. Conclusion. In conclusion, the computer is a powerful and useful machine. It has changed the way we work, learn, and communicate. Computers have made our life easier, faster, and more connected. However, we must use computers responsibly and balance technology with real life. Without doubt, the computer will continue to play a very important role in the future of human civilization. Thank you.